Hi, welcome to another video of Caring Tips at Your Tips by Horticulture Nursery. I'm Sundari and today I'm going to talk about how to take care of the pothos plant, which is famously known as the Indian money plant. This is the plant, as compared to other plants, is known for its longevity and it can thrive in any condition. The bright green color and the shiny leaves and the patterns in which the money plant can grow makes it extremely beautiful. Pothos as creepers can be used as indoor plants. It can be used in the balconies or simply any hanging plant. So, to take care of a plant and make it look very fuller and healthier, here are some tips. I would like to start with the resources like nutrients which is required for any plants to grow into a very healthy plant and bloom properly. When it comes to proper nutrients, please add proper fertilizers like compost, rooting compost. You can also use vermicompost or any special substance which is good nutrient for your soil as well as the roots. There are a few people who choose to grow the plant only in the water as a base, which is completely alright. Please do not add any substance when you are using only water as the base, because it will only attract fungus, which is something we do not want. Now coming to the watering of the plant. When you are growing the plant only in water as the base, make sure that you change the water at least once in 7 to 10 days. Please make sure that you are using only the tap water because it has all the minerals and nutrients which are required for any plant and its roots to grow properly. A very common issue which is observed with money plants is drying out of the leaves or some leaves which is having the dry edges. So this happens when the plant is not getting adequate water or the water is not reaching properly to the roots. To ensure that this is not happening, we can do the sticky test. In the sticky test, we just use our thumb or the fingers to check the moisture level of the soil. If the soil sticks to your thumb, it means that there is enough water and the moisture is proper for the roots to grow. But when you see that the soil is powdery, it means that now it is time to water your plant. Now coming to sunlight. Sunlight is the fuel for photosynthesis, as we all know. So make sure that your plant is under direct sunlight for at least 10 hours a day. Coming to another technique which is majorly followed by all the home gardeners is pruning. Right. So in the pruning method, what we do is we cut off the dead leaves and we also make sure that we are giving a shape to the plant to look it more fuller. So this was how you take care of your pothos money plant to make it look happier, healthier and bushier. Please like and subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.